The process of seeking and getting addictions treatment is hard, and it's even more difficult if you have a pet. Finding someone to take care of their pets for several weeks can be impossible, leading them to either surrender their loved one or decline treatment. This is why a pair of frontline workers started a new organization to take care of your pets while you take care of yourself. Here's Mackenzie Reed.
Kaylee Bush and Priya Sharma are frontline workers in Island Health, helping those suffering with addiction find treatment.
Time and time again, we just kept seeing the same gap.
That gap being those ready and motivated to enter mental health and addiction services having to delay or decline their treatment because they can't find someone to look after their pets.
I've been working outreach for the last decade in this field, and I would say it would happen at least like once every couple months where I would, stumble across an individual who's wanting to explore treatment programs, but this is a huge stressor for them. And a lot of the times they're not even seeing treatment, life-saving treatment, as an option because there's no way that they can find support for their animal at that time.
So the two launched the Recovery Tales Society, providing free pet care while they undergo treatment.
Our mission is to empower individuals to seek recovery without compromise, and we want to take away the barrier that revolves around the pet, just the worries and the anxieties that comes with owning a pet and being away from them.
Like Nova, who will be staying in the Society's care for 56 days, and 11-year-old Hey Hey, who will be staying for about 3 months while their owner is going through a treatment program.
So we have currently 4 animals in foster care. We have 16 foster volunteers that are actually that have signed up in the last week.
The pets are assessed by the pair and then placed with an appropriate foster for the length of their owner's treatment. The only thing they ask is for the pet owners to provide enough food for the length of their stay.
Once we grow and continue to receive donations and just expand, we're hoping to even cut that out.
What a beautiful and amazing idea. It's something that's so needed and missing in our community.
Mike Menhaus, founder of Rewired Recovery and Soberfest, knows addiction personally and remembers when he had to give up his own dog to go to treatment.
And I remember coming out of treatment just being crushed that the one person that just went through everything with me, my highs, my lows, was now gone. And I already felt bad enough that I'd let Finnegan down. Finnegan was his name, that I'd let Finny down, and through my addiction, and now I was even letting him down more by abandoning him.
Recovery experts say a lot of the time those battling addiction have lost contact with family and friends, with their pets being the only stable relationship in their lives, making the thought of going into recovery extremely overwhelming.
There can be so many obstacles and hurdles for people to access recovery, to just initiate it. So that I was so delighted to see that come across my feed, and that this new organization, this new offering will be like such a support for people trying to access recovery services.
The Society is hoping to grow, looking for more foster families and donations to support pet owners on their recovery journey.
Vital People is brought to you in part by the Victoria Foundation, connecting people who care with causes that matter.